In any democratic society, robust of political discourse and diversity of perspectives are essential for healthy governance. However, idea of banning political parties raises serious concern and undermine the fundamental principles of a free and fair society. This video explores the disadvantages associated with such a drastic measure, demonstrating why it is ill-conceived and dangerous proposition. Foremost among the disadvantage of banning political party is the suspension of dissent. Political parties provide platform for individuals to express their political beliefs, advocate for policies, and hold those who are accountable. By banning certain parties, the government effectively silences the alternative viewpoint and creates a chilling effect on the political expression. This undermines the various foundation of democracy, which built up upon the ability of the citizen to freely express their opinion. A vibrant democracy thrills on political pluralism, where a range of political parties represent diverse ideologies and perspectives. Banning political party reduces the pluralism, narrowing the political spectrum and limiting the choice that citizens have when it comes to choosing their representative. This can lead to monopoly of power by single party or coalition, which can shuffle creativity and innovation in policy making. Banning political parties can exhibit social and political deviance, where the individuals feel free that their political views are not represented or actively suppressed. They may be aligned from the political system and restored to more extreme and divine form of expression. This can lead to the breakdown in trust between citizens and the government, for making the climate of intolerance and conflict. Elections are the concrete of democracy, providing citizens an opportunity to elect their representative and hold them accountable. Banning political party undermines the legitimacy of elections, and when their choices are limited, people do not believe the results. This can lead to a loss of faith in electoral process, and the voter turnout can be declined, and credibility of the government can be destroyed. History is riddled with examples of the countries that have banned the political parties often face great consequences. In Nazi Germany, the banning of the opposition party paved for rise of a terror and genocide. In Soviet Union, the suppression of the political dissent through banning of opposition parties led to decades of totalitarianism and human rights abuse. The international community has repeatedly condemned the banning of the political parties as a violation of human rights and a threat to democracy. The disadvantage of banning political parties are profound and multifaceted, such as measures suppressing dissent, political pluralism, polarization, increased undermine electoral legitimacy, and set dangerous precedent for authoritarianism. History has shown that the banning of political party is not the solution of the political problem, rather recipe for suppression and division. The free democratic society is essential to protect the right to political expression and give diversity. Dialogue, promise, and peaceful resolution of the conflicts are the hallmark of a healthy political system. Banning political parties undermines the principle and poses a grave threat to the foundation of the democracy.